Before you even think about trying the Urgent Millionaire Switch by Ethan Brooks, there's something you need to hear. If you've been desperately searching for ways to make money online but keep running into dead ends, I get how frustrating that can be. Today, I'm uncovering the truth behind this program. Is it really the game changer it claims to be, or just another overhyped promise? What I'm about to reveal could completely change your financial future, so stick around. Let's face it, you've probably come across plenty of make-money online programs that promise quick wealth but leave you feeling empty-handed. Maybe you've tried different strategies, watched endless tutorials, or even bought expensive courses only to be let down. Sound familiar? You're not alone. The reality is most of these systems are just recycled nonsense that never actually work. And that's exactly why people are skeptical about Urgent Millionaire Switch, another big claim, another secret formula. But what if this one was actually different? What if it was built on a real system that has already helped thousands of regular people break free from financial struggles? That's what I set out to find. So I decided to put Urgent Millionaire Switch to the test. What I found is that, unlike most programs that make vague promises and use outdated methods, this system is built on scientifically backed financial principles that are designed to create consistent income streams. It doesn't require prior experience, technical skills, or hours of complicated setup. Instead, it provides a simple yet highly effective blueprint that cuts through the noise and gives you the exact steps to start generating online income. I've seen real people, just like you, using Urgent Millionaire Switch to transform their financial situation. Some made their first $500 in less than a week, while others scaled to $5,000 per month by simply following the system. But let me be clear, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It only works if you follow the system and take consistent action. If you're expecting to push a button and watch money appear, this isn't for you. So, is Urgent Millionaire Switch legit? Based on my experience, yes. But it's not for those who are looking for instant wealth without putting in the effort. If you're serious about changing your financial situation and following a proven step-by-step plan, then this could be the breakthrough you've been searching for. If you're ready to stop struggling and start seeing results, I've got something special for you. Click the official link below to check out Urgent Millionaire Switch for yourself. But don't wait too long, spots are limited. This could be your chance to finally achieve financial freedom. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and drop a comment if you have any questions.